Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. So here we are in the YouTube app, and I want to go and show you how you can go and turn off and disable YouTube Shorts. And there will be many reasons for why I want to do this. Maybe because you find me distracting or something like that, but I'll go and show you how to do it. So firstly, you need to go and find YouTube Shorts. As you can see here, as you can see in the top right of the shorts, I'll try and find quite like a dark one. You can see that there are three stacked dots in the top right each short. What you need to do is tap on that just there, and as you can see, we have then got four options. What you need to do is tap on not interested like so, and as you can see, it then goes and removes the video. So what you need to do is keep repeating this for all of the shorts. There are only so many shorts here, so what you need to do is just go and keep repeating that just like so. I think there's around 8 to 10 shorts, and I've done pretty much small. Now as you can see, this is the final one. I'm now going to go and press it. As you can see, there are no shorts left. Now when I go and refresh YouTube, as you can see like so, I scroll down and the shorts tab is no longer there. And just to prove to you as well, if you have fully closed the YouTube app by swiping up and closing it, you can do that on both Android and iPhone. Then go and open up the YouTube app, and as you can see, the shorts tab is now gone. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.